on the ice first. Even my dogs are obsessed with my new bed. Is it comfortable? Yeah? Wow, look who's coming to the gym with me. Are you not feeling good today or something? Can't forget that pre-workout. My dog literally has not moved off of this blanket in my bed the entire time I was at the gym, which was 2 hours. Safe to say that it is not only me approved, but it is Tucker approved. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I didn't end up washing my hair just because I washed it last night, and you know, washing hair every single day isn't good for it. So right now I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare since I just washed my face in the shower. And if you guys wanna see an updated skincare routine, like this video, because I'm telling you right now, my skin has gone on a big fat journey. Like, I'm going to insert a picture of my skin, what it looked like 2 months ago versus right now. I have no blemishes whatsoever. I think I just have a little bit of scarring in small places that's healing faster than I could ever imagine, and I think it's because of these products. So the first thing I'm going to use is a serum. Not going to tell you guys which one, because if you want a skincare routine, like I said, like this video. So the first thing I do is just put my serum all over my face. And if you guys watch Emma and Maggie McDonald, they actually use this serum, and that's exactly why I got it. I never get texted, my phone just went off, and funny enough, it's my lash lady, and as you guys can tell, I need a refill really bad, so thank God she texted me. Next, I'm going to be using an eye serum. I know that there's a lot of eye creams out there that are really expensive, and this eye serum that I'm using, that I will show you guys in a skincare routine, is actually only $5. So my skincare routine is going to save you guys so much money. Next, I go in with a moisturizer, and this moisturizer is only $5 as well. I'm just going to put it all over my face. My eyes are so puffy because of my allergies. This is ridiculous. And then last but not least, I go in with a lip balm, and I'm just using the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Again, Maggie and Emma McDonald raved about this, so I decided to try it out. And oh my goodness, this stuff is like heaven on your lips. It's beautiful. I've never tried a better lip balm in my entire life. So this is a sweater that I was wearing earlier. I actually got it off of Depop for, I think, $50, and it's just a like vintage oversized crew neck Champion sweater, and I love it so much. I have not taken it off since I got it, and I got it a week ago. Yes, I have washed it, but my favorite sweater of all times right now. What a steal. Throughout this video, I showed you guys a few clips of my new bedding, but I am just so obsessed with it, and I wanted to say thank you so much to Famatel for sponsoring today's video. My dog literally has not gotten off of this, and I think I've said that twice in this video. It is the comfiest thing ever. Basically, it's a duvet set that comes with 3 pieces. So it comes with this duvet cover, and also comes with 2 pillowcases, which are these 2 right here. And I got the style where these little ribbons hang down from the duvet cover, and I'm obsessed with it. This literally looks like something you would buy on on Urban Outfitters for like over $100. This with the 2 pillowcases I think were around $30, and I also have a coupon code for you guys, so check down below. I also got this adorable oatmeal colored throw blanket that my dog is obsessed with, and so am I. It is the comfiest thing ever. It's hand knit and has cute little tassels hanging off. Oh my gosh, I just realized it matches my nails. Ha! It is so adorable and I love the color. I was kind of scared to see if it would go well with my headboard back there, and I don't know where this headboard is from. Everyone always asks me, but I'll try and figure it out. I also got this throw pillow, which I'm also obsessed with. It matches perfectly with this little throw blanket. It just ties everything together, has little tassels as well, and oh, I honestly could not be happier with how my bed looks right now. These are the little pillowcases with the ties. You can tie them in little bows or you can tie them in tassels like I did at the bottom. Obsessed. Cutest bedding ever. Link in the description box. Make sure you guys go check them out. So inexpensive and so worth it. So I haven't really been wearing makeup lately. I don't remember the last time I put makeup on my face. It was probably like 2 weeks ago. And I feel like that's another reason why my skin has been so good lately. So pretty much every day, well not every day, when I need an eyelash refill, I put some mascara on my lash extensions, and then I'll just use the Benefit Gimme Brow on my eyebrows, and then the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. That's literally all I wear. So that's what I just did. And I thought it was really pointless to put a clip of me doing that because it's not interesting at all. But if you guys do want an updated makeup routine, I can do that for you guys. I just don't put on makeup every day, so it'll be like a once in a while makeup routine. But I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna go make myself a smoothie bowl since it's been a couple of hours since I came back from the gym and ate my cereal. And if you guys want to see how I make that, I actually have a video that I'll link below and a card up here just so it's easier for you guys to go see it. And my what I eat in a day, it's the best smoothie bowl ever. If you guys have a Fresh Addicts near you, it is an exact dupe for their berry bowl. I'm telling you right now, it is the easiest thing to make and it is so addicting.